Welcome to Mom-tastic. Hi everyone. These are toffee balls made with just one ingredient. So let's see how to make it. The main and the only ingredient used for making toffee balls is the condensed milk. Add 1.5 cups of condensed milk in a microwave safe bowl. Let's start heating in a microwave. Cook for 20 minutes. But make sure you're taking out the ball every 2 minutes and giving it a stir. The condensed milk will start getting thicker by now. Then cook for 10 more minutes, giving a stir after every minute. When you get a golden brown thick texture like this, your mixture is ready. Now let it cool down a little, but should be warm enough so that you can start shaping the toffee balls. Roll in sugar crystals, which is optional. You can use desiccated coconut as an alternative. Now your toffee balls are ready. If you like this recipe, do give a like and a share. Do try it and let me know the feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.